our video. Today we are going to show you how to make protein gingerbread men. They are super tasty, high in protein, and they have better macronutrients than regular gingerbread men. Today I have a guest on my channel. She has a YouTube channel as well. Thank you for joining me.
My pleasure. I don't actually think I was going to use my real name. I haven't decided
yet.
Okay,
what should I say? I'll just say my friend. My friend?
You can also just say I have a guest. My friend sounds kind of made up. This is totally my friend.
I have to pay you?
Yeah, you have to buy a friend from rentafriend.com. They were a blast to decorate and a super fun activity to do as a single person.
Because
all these protein recipes are tiny. So for the gingerbread cookies, we're going to start out by putting in 100 grams of gluten-free flour, along with 28 grams of almond flour, and 30 grams of a granular sugar substitute.
We're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon.
We're also going to add 1 teaspoon of ginger and 1 of nutmeg.
And then we're going to mix all of our dry ingredients with a fork. So we're going to mix all of our wet ingredients together now. We are going to mix 42 grams of plant-based light butter.
We're going to do 2 tablespoons of molasses, 1 tablespoon of the milk of your choosing, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
Ooh, yummy!
Yummy. I hope I don't start another... No, that's a dark joke.
What was the joke?
I was gonna say, I hope I don't start another molasses flood. That killed 37 people.
What's molasses flood?
You don't know the molasses flood? So they had a giant tank full of molasses, and the tank gave out, and it flooded the streets of Chicago. And it was so sticky. Chicago. And it was so sticky that people couldn't really escape, and you can't really swim through it, so people drowned.
How much molasses was there? And now we're gonna mix everything together.
Are you good?
Ow! My toe!
So we got it semi-incorporated, now we gotta work it with our hands. I don't know what this is. I've seen some weird-ass cookie doughs.
Where?
I think we messed up.
I don't think we messed up. I think we got this. It smells like a gingerbread cookie dough. Wait a minute. Was there any protein powder in here?
No. Where's the protein coming from?
Wait a minute.
What the hell?
Oh, we need 45 grams of vanilla protein powder.
Dude!
Okay. And we're also gonna add 45 grams of the vanilla protein powder.
It's recommended you do this with your dry ingredients.
We forgot the protein part of the protein cookie.
That's such a weird texture. I have never touched protein powder before with my bare hands.
Really?
Yeah.
I make protein powder with my bare hands all the time.
Why?
Don't ask questions.
More like it. This is a proper cookie dough. Now we're just gonna transfer the dough from the bowl onto some tin foil and put it in the fridge for an hour. You could also, of course, use saran wrap. We're gonna finish our gingerbread men.
It's been refrigerated for an hour. We have a clean surface.
So what you're gonna wanna do is, with clean hands, or use a measuring cup, sprinkle some flour, and get a little bit on your hand so the dough doesn't stick to your hand. You're gonna wanna roll the dough out to a fraction of an inch. I wonder why all the protein recipes are small batches. Do they think
Yeah, what's up with that?
do they think you're single if you're making protein baked cookies?
If you're just making
You have no one to share them with. You can take a cookie cutter of your choice. We're gonna go the traditional route. Use little gingies.
Damn.
And there we go. We got our thick little gingy.
It's so
I
nice.
shouldn't stroke it. That's really creepy.
Don't stroke the gingerbread man. Can I try one?
Yep.
It's so beautiful.
When you're cutting out shapes, you want to get as most as you can from one single roll. The more you do work it with your hands, you're gonna warm it up. So that means you're gonna have to put it back in the fridge for another hour. And ain't nobody got time for that.
Unless you're single and making protein cookies by yourself.
And have no one to share them with.
Only single people are making protein cookies for themselves at Christmas. See, you have to use your muscles when you do this, and that's why we have to eat so much protein.
We should, I don't want to make protein bread.
Protein bread. Protein bread.
We should make normal bread. Yeah. Next time we're going to my house where I have a real rolling pin.
I thought I had a real rolling pin.
Oh, his head's deformed.
We still love him.
Yeah. Body positivity. Even if your gingerbread man is deformed, they're still gonna taste equally as good. All humans taste the same. Just different texture, you know? If you're fattier, then you can be slow roasted like pulled pork. If you're leaner, then you can be made into like lean ground beef tacos. I guess if you're lean human beef tacos. And now with your last little bit of dough, just roll it into a little ball and flatten it out with the palm of your hand. Oh, I was gonna make it long. A gingerbread snake. Okay.
Gingerbread snake.
So we ended up with 4 adults and 12 children. That does not seem like a good ratio.
They had
Each one.
6 tuplets, is that a thing? No way. No one's gonna have 6 children in their belly.
Yeah! Check out the Guinness World Record of what, 2012 I think? I think it's 8.
No way. I'm checking.
Told ya!
What the heck? What? How?
So we just pulled our gingerbread men out of the oven. Oh, it actually has a pretty nice chewy center.
It tastes like gingerbread men. Hallelujah.
Doesn't have that strong protein powder aftertaste.
So now we're gonna decorate our gingerbread men. So that is it. We made our protein gingerbread men. They taste really good. They are really adorable. And now we're gonna try them.
Yeah?
So you're gonna eat.
No, I don't want to eat Gerard!
Gerard.
Why? My baby!
It's a circle of life.
When I was a young boy, took me to the city. Who knew Gerard Boy would taste so good? Now he's really emo.
Now he's really emo. Oh shoot, we forgot to film the intro as well. He's just gonna be right here.
He's an emo bread.
I'm just gonna eat his other leg.
Next we'll be making sugar cookies. To make
Protein sugar cookies.
Whoa, what is going on? Is there no off? No, it won't turn off anymore! I'm just mixing it with my hand and there's a motor going.
We don't have regular spoons here.
We only have licked spoons?
We only have licked spoons. Good thing we didn't forget the protein in this one.
Okay, cool. If these don't work, that'd be heartbreaking because they smell really freaking good.
I have a feeling it's gonna work.
Looks like bread, tastes like bread. It's sweet bread. Sweet. Oh, what is that aftertaste?
It just like doesn't have the texture of sugar cookies. Maybe
Or the taste.
Or the face. Or the look. Or
These have a texture of more of an Irish soda bread, which makes sense why they were so dense and why they look like mini baby Irish soda breads. But then it's a little sweet with a vanilla protein powder aftertaste. Vanilla protein powder Irish soda bread.
You're really selling it to them.
Thank you. Of course, ma'am. Bye. Oh my god, do you want the tea?
Yeah. Make sure you subscribe. I'll leave her YouTube channel linked below.
Bye!
Until next time!
Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeer.